How to make fermented mustard leaf paste in Jiliang style. Don't skip my video, please watch till the end. Green mustard leaves we have to keep for a few days. It has to turn yellow. When it's turned yellow, we need to crush the mustard leaves. Hey, it's my tantan. This is how we make traditional way. Grandparents, like forefather people, they used to crash from this one. We call the pin, but I don't know the English what's it called. After crushing mustard leaves, we keep in the container for a few days. Once fermented leaf is getting ready to remove, squeeze or strain out the fermented leaves. Meanwhile, fermented water transfer into the pot. This is not easy job to work, but farmers are very hardworking. So when you eat and you just think a lot and then appreciate what they are doing. Boil it for a few hours and keep it aside. When it's cooled down, then it's ready to make chutney. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.